Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a Calendly link to your Teachable coaching program? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add your Calendly link into your coaching program in Teachable anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that sometimes your students want one-on-one coaching with you. And when you make that available in your Teachable, you can actually add a Calendly link. So that way, once they pay, they can go ahead and schedule whatever the case is. It's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add your Calendly link to your Teachable coaching, here on the left side, you want to click on coaching. It looks like a calendar. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the different coaching programs you have with Teachable. You can see I just have this one right here. And in order to add your Calendly link, go ahead and just click on the name of the coaching. Okay, once you do that, here on the left side, you're going to see another menu, and you want to click on template. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a few different options, but scroll down until you see first milestone details. So basically what happens is after they've filled out the intake form, and if it's a paid plan, they've made their payment, they're going to get this welcome first milestone. So this is what they're going to see. And then we can go ahead and add the Calendly link right here. So click right here, add scheduling. Okay, so next you're going to see these two options. So if you're going to add a Calendly link, you're going to choose this one, use calendar. If you are going to have your coaching at a specific date or time that they don't have any control over, you're going to use this one. But today we're going to add a Calendly link. So let me grab a Calendly link now. Okay, so here I am in my Calendly. So with my different events, and all you're going to do right here is copy link. And let me go back to Teachable, and you're just going to paste the link right in there. Once you pasted it in, go ahead and scroll to the top and click on save. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now we have our Calendly link here. So that way my students can go ahead and arrange the coaching right from here, right from the welcome email. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add a Calendly link to your Teachable coaching program, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.